Hello, Fierce Loves. You are back with me, Elizabeth, your girl with a fierce style. And in this YouTube channel, I do a lot of beauty, makeup, and then jewelries. I do a lot of bags and accessories on this channel too, and just anything and everything under the sun, even gadgets and some vlogs. But for today's video, I am going to do another unboxing of another Tory Burch bag. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, everybody, so I ordered it from my bag right there. I'm destroying it. Okay, so here we go. And we have some plastic stuffing. It says recyclable. Let's please recycle. And I see that Tory Burch dust bag, of course. Alright, so here it is. Okay, so you know what? It's quite alarming that I see some Tory Burch items that are like, I think they're fake. They even have like a weird certificate. I'll post a photo right here. And then also they have their own dust bag, but it does not look like this. So all of my Tory Burch dust bags look like this one. And then here is the bag. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be familiar to you because I did an unboxing of my two other Tory Burch ones, and I'm going to put the link to that video here on the description bar and also a pinned comments section down below. So if you want, you can go ahead and check out my other unboxing, but this is the bag right now, and you know that I am obsessing with this Tory Burch Kira chevron top handle bags. So I have the other colors. I don't know, like it's like that. I have the other colors of this one, but this one is gray heron. Ah, so nice and pretty. You know what? Green and pink goes so well together. So if I'm wearing something pink, then this is gonna look super duper nice with it. So that is so stunning. It doesn't have so much stuffing inside, so you don't really appreciate the shape of the bag. But I have the other two at the back. I kid you not, like I have a family over here. I'm kind of late on jumping into the bandwagon. So this is my second one, and it's in black. No fancy name, just black. I have a story about this one, so go check it out on the other video. It's just here to just like compare the colors, but I did a video of that already, so I'm going to refer you to that one instead. And then this is the first one that I ever had because this is what started my obsession. My card case that has like a lot of views here on my YouTube channel. Check that out too. And this is the Tory Burch Kira Chevron in Pink City. That's the card case. And then the top handle satchel is here. Both of them, or all three of them, are top handles. So I was thinking that this is my spring summer bag, and then that's gonna be a winter bag, but it's gonna be all year round for black anyway. And then this is going to be like my autumn winter bag, and this is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. It is really stunning. I do not have a collar like this, like taupe, but they call it gray heron instead. Yeah, but it's like so taupey, or gray taupe on that color scheme. So what I love about this is the top handle right here. And then I usually could wear it like, of course, grabbing it like so, or putting it at the crook of your shoulder like that. Very, very ladylike, so stunning. But at the end of the day, I love to put the crossbody shoulder strap on this one. So we have them inside. Oh, it's still wrapped so nicely. Alright, so this is the color of the strap. Same as the bag, of course. But it also has a chain And it's right here. Alright, so I grabbed the chain that I have from my other bag. And it's this one. And what I love about this bag, another thing that I love, because there's so many things that I love about it, is that it has a lobster clasp for the shoulder strap. And then the chain has a lobster clasp also. Lobster clasp means like when you pull it like so, then you can release it and then you can remove it. And yeah, I'm just gonna put the other chain so you know how it looks. But this one is like a round lobster clasp instead. It looks like that. And then you can like push this part right here. I never thought that I would be interested in colors like this because I'm the kind of person who like I'm very seasonal. Like sometimes I really want super colorful, bougie, lots of print type of bags, and then I transition into just like pinks, the lightest of the pinks, almost like nude pinks, and then like I venture to all the other colors depending on the season. But yeah, so this is how it's going to look with the chain. Yeah, just like that. It's just so cute. You can also grab this one and then you can use it as like another strap if you wanted to, but I just used it mostly for like the design, like so. And then now let's talk about the structure of the bag. Now to the details of this bag. It says double T as a beveled hardware, the Kira Satchel in soft chevron quilted leather has two carrying options. The one that I told you earlier, which is a top handle or a crossbody with an adjustable strap. So this one fits the big phones, iPhone 11 Pro Max. I already tried, and this is 11 Pro Max, and then as you see, it would fit in there, and there's still a lot of room. And it would also fit the big iPhones, like, what is it now? S21 Ultra. Those one would fit here for sure. So this one has lambskin, which is very nice. I'm not super careful with my bags, but I try to be a little bit more careful with my lambskin. I still do not put them on a dust bag, but I put them on a well-ventilated cabinet, see-through, so I could see them. And then this one has a turn lock closure. So here, as you see, when you turn it, and then you can go ahead and open it like so. And we already talked about the removable metal chain. So the top handle here, this one, is 3.2 inches. This one, sorry. That's 3.2 inches or 8 centimeters drop. And the adjustable removable crossbody strap, this one has about 22.5 inches or 56.5 centimeters drop. This is how it looks inside. And then for the interior, we have 3 compartments here. So 1, 2, and 3. That's 3 compartments. We have 2 slit pockets, and that is right here. So on this part, in the middle, there's like 2 slit pockets, 1 and 2. So can you put your card case there, or wallet, or coin purse. And then there is 1 zipped closure over here for your more important stuff. And there is a Tory Burch logo right there. Right there, yes. And alright. There is just 1 back pocket for the exterior. And I love this feature because I use it to put my card case. So right there, as you see here, it's like a sample. I'm not gonna remove that one, like put it like inside like so. But you know that from my previous videos, or if you haven't checked it out, I really suggest that you go ahead and do so you learn more about this bag. And this is a Kira Chevron card case from Tory Burch, and it fits perfectly in there. So it's easy access for me. Yeah, to grab my card case, and I will able to pay right away because this is right there. It's just a perfect card slot, and it's against your body all the time anyway because it's at the back, so it's quite secured in there. So we saw that a dust bag is included, and it's quite big. So it's a nice dust bag. It's more of a cloth-like one. And you will see that there is a Tory Burch logo right here. Yeah, so that's Tory Burch logo at the end of the dust bag. And now to the dimensions of this bag. So let's talk about the height. So we have 6.6 inches, or that is 16.5 in centimeters. The length, and that will be 9.6 inches, or 24.2 in centimeters. And then lastly, the depth on this side right here, and this is quite expandable depending on what you put inside here, and this one is 4.2 inches, or up to 10 centimeters in depth. So for caring for this bag, Tory Burch highly suggests on their website to protect the leather, spot clean using a soft dry cloth, no water or chemical solvents, and store in a ventilated space away from direct sunlight. If it gets wet, wipe dry immediately to prevent staining. So that's all of the information that we need to know about this bag, and then yeah, I'm going to try to let you know about what fits in. So the bag that I last used is my Marc Jacobs Soft Shot 21. This is also a lambskin. I'm going to grab the stuff that I have here from today and transfer it to that bag. And if you wanted to see my review about this bag, go ahead and check it out. I have a video about this, and it's have some nice views also, so you might be interested, and just go ahead and check it out in my YouTube channel. I have an entire playlist for bags and SLG here. It will be linked down below also, so don't miss it. Yes. Alright, going back to this bag, let's open it. You all know that we can fit the card case in there, so that's already there, and that's how I usually go by my day anyway. Just put the card case in there. Alright, so it's gonna remove the stuffing, and I'm gonna show you what fits. So I have this Victoria's Secret makeup pouch, or well, it was a pouch, but I converted it into a makeup pouch. And I have a lot of stuff in here. I kid you not. I'm just very good in packing things, so they're like that. And I like that this could be flat, so it doesn't take up so much space. Yes, so here, and I usually, when I wear the other two bags, I put this one in the front. So that's in the front, and it fits perfectly in there. I kid you not. Ta-da! So of course we want the phone inside. So this is the 12 Pro Max, and then I love to put that at the very back in here. Just slide it in. Just remove that key holder for now, and it slides right in. And then just some other stuff that I needed in my life, which is my AirPods Pro, and that I can put in the middle. And then I have my 4-ring key holder right here, holds my keys. I know I should change it to like a girly one, but since I like how slim this goes, and that is I don't really have to worry about it being scratched or getting dirty, then I keep on just using this one, and that could slide in there in the middle, and I could still fit some other things like a lipstick, which I already have in the bag, but yeah, I could still fit this mirror, or rather this compact. It's my Burberry Glow Essentials palette that I actually bring every single day. I kid you not, because you never know when you're gonna need to retouch your makeup. So it has cream, contour, blush, bronzer, and 2 highlight options in there. So I just like put the compact mirror there in the middle, as you see. And yeah, and it really fits a lot of stuff for your daily needs. I am not sure if it could fit an pad mini. I haven't tried. I have it, but I haven't tried. But I'm so sure if you're like a crazy makeup addict and you wanted to bring some compacts like a Natasha Denona midi size compact, then that's going to fit in there, as you see. And yeah, this is the kind of bag that you can wear on a day tonight. And you can also wear this casual. And but what do I recommend? I think that this kind of bag, well, I wear it casual also, but for something that's as delicate as a lambskin, I think you could really have it like your more serious type of bag, your date bag, your girls a night out type of bag, your special occasions type of bag. So that's what I think this is, or what you could use this for. If you see this on sale on a very good price, that will be very, very cool. Go grab it, because yeah, it's really nice. I see a lot of other reviews having the pros and cons. For some ladies, why am I struggling on putting this on? For some ladies, they're saying that it's too small on the top handle to crook it on your shoulder. But if you're a petite girl, I don't think that's gonna be a problem. Yeah, but if you are like me who loves a top handle type of bag, then you would really enjoy using this one. You would really be happy on like bringing this wherever you go. It could be your everyday bag also. Yeah, and if you like this color, like, go for it. Why not? So there you go, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on my another Tory Burch Kira Chevron top handle bag unboxing and what fits. And yeah, so this is kind of like a review video already also. So as using all of the two other bags, do I recommend it? Definitely a yes. I love it. Obviously, I have 3 now. If they make more, I am probably gonna grab more collars for sure. It's a little too pricey. Tory Burch bags are like a little bit more pricey than Michael Kors. It's about the same price as the premium Coach bags, so a little bit up there. But nonetheless, if you find them on the sale, then it's a good deal. And from the quality and the customer service of Tory Burch anyway, it's really good. Even though I grab these bags from like retailer websites, it's okay, because I'm sure that if you buy them directly from Tory Burch, if you have it available in your country, you're quite lucky, and just grab it there. And Tory Burch usually have some sales also every now and then on every season, so I noticed that too. But yeah, oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't even know. You cannot ask me which one is my favorite color, because it's hard. I love them all, yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to check out the videos for those other 2, and also for this bag, or just binge watch my entire bags and SLG playlist here on my YouTube channel, and I will have more. Yeah. See you in my next video, and remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya.